Struggling with a failing locking hub on your 4WD? This locking hub service kit offers a complete solution to get your vehicle back on the road smoothly. Designed to restore full 4WD functionality, it includes every seal and retainer you need for a thorough repair, no extra parts required. What sets this kit apart is its proven reliability. Every component undergoes rigorous material testing and inspection, ensuring you receive parts that last. Backed by a dedicated team of engineers and designers right here in the United States, you're investing in quality you can trust. I recently replaced the locking hubs on my 2008 F350 using this kit. It came with everything necessary: paper gaskets, O-rings, replacement T27 bolts, and even an extra O-ring for peace of mind. The fit was perfect, matching my vehicle's specifications without any hassle. If you're concerned about compatibility, the kit's designed to fit specific makes, models, and trim levels. Simply enter your vehicle details into the garage tool to confirm the perfect match before ordering. This ensures you avoid any guesswork and get exactly what your truck or SUV needs. Prices for quality locking hub kits can vary, but this option stands out for its balance of cost and convenience. While the price might seem a bit high at first glance, it's actually lower than many alternatives on the market. Plus, fast 2-day shipping means less downtime for your vehicle. By choosing this locking hub service kit, you're not just fixing a part, you're restoring your vehicle's 4WD capability with confidence. It's a smart, trustworthy solution that saves you time and money compared to piecing together parts yourself or paying for expensive repairs. If you want a hassle-free, reliable repair for your locking hubs, this kit is worth a look. It's built to last, fits perfectly, and comes from a team committed to quality. Try it when you're ready to get your 4WD back in action without the guesswork or delays.